Students at Marble Bar Primary School are celebrating Indigenous culture through a cutting-edge STEM virtual world. By collaborating with Elders and Airborne IT, they have created a first-of-its-kind virtual reality gallery and virtual teacher development centre.
So our key program is CSIRO's two-way science integrated learning program for Aboriginal bush schools in teaching Aboriginal science concepts as well as Western science concepts. So we're actually extending the Australian curriculum by working two-way. What we've done is we've integrated those concepts using a range of digital technologies, including virtual reality, three-dimensional printing, robotics, drone aviation. The Marble Bar virtual world has increased our students' pride, respect for their culture, engagement in the teaching and learning program, and given them an opportunity to share their culture with students from many other schools around Western Australia.